What's up, y'all? How's everybody doing today, man? Listen, today has been a day, and I still have to bring you guys the videos that I promised. Today, we're going to be packaging up a 30 product seller's kit, okay? Now, the resellers kits are available at wesply.com. They are kits that have wholesale products in them. Now, I remember being a reseller and not being able to find, source, and maintain inventory for my reselling business. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income stream. Now, I started on eBay. All right, really, I went from eBay, Amazon, back to eBay, Mercari, back to eBay, then my store. Now, I help a bunch of stores in the Philadelphia tri-state area. So that's Philly, New Jersey, and Delaware. Now, this is only local. I help them source products. So what I do is I have a warehouse in New Jersey that I work with that I actually help provide products to with these stores. Now, some of the products are, of course, these clones, the Max clones everywhere, from replicas and also clone Gen 2s, everywhere from charging banks, charging pads, a whole bunch of different things. And we're talking quality products, okay? Not products that are one and done products. And we're also talking about small products, like 20 pack cables. Now, I created wesply.com because I wanted to be able to do it on a larger scale. Now, I've been providing businesses products for around over a decade. I started out when I was 19, and once I got the plug and started to actually learn how to source products, I didn't learn how to source products from using AliExpress or Alibaba. I tried those. AliExpress took way too long. Customers canceled. Alibaba took too long, but they also charged me the heck up for shipping. I wanted to find a way that in the US, I can actually make money. Now, let me tell you how this is going to help you, because Donald Trump is in office. He is about to put these tariffs in place. When you are going and dealing with these foreign websites, they're going to make you pay even more now for shipping. Don't worry. I got you. Now, to help people start their businesses, about 2 years ago, I had the product box, right? The wholesale product box, which had the products in it, and the products would help people start their eBay. So imagine getting a box in the mail. You open the box up, you got a whole bunch of inventory you can now list on eBay, Amazon, Mercari, Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, go to flea markets. In the summertime, people kill it because they go to flea markets. They don't even just rely online. I also have people that do this and they go to pop-up shops. So weekly, they'll have like some influencers in the area create a event basically where all the local sellers can go to. People that make $2,000, $3,000, $200, $500, $850, $649, a bunch of different prices I've seen from a bunch of different boxes, okay? Now, you ain't making $3,000 or $2,000 from these boxes. Let's make that very clear. But what we do is we allow you to custom order too. But what I recommend for people that are just starting out to just get the resellers kits. Now, the reseller kits are going to come with trending products. Now, how do we find out what products are trending? Like, these are like, I have a bunch of products, right? Like the products that you see me talk about online, or the products that you see me show you in the warehouse, aren't the only products. We have almost any product I can think of: hoverboards, drones, RC cars, motor scooters. We have toys. We have kitchen supplies. We have we have a lot of stuff. Okay. I even am working on a contractor with a Dollar General. I'm working on trying to get a contractor with them so that I can start providing them some electronics and them some houseware stuff. But the point is, how do we find out what to actually put in this box? So it would create a lot of confusion if I was to say, hey, I want every customer to choose every product that they get in the box. So what we did is we randomized it based upon what's trending that week. We have a service called eBay Automation where we list, ship, and provide products for you. Now, what that does is we have an assistant. You get assigned an assistant, and that assistant is working on your eBay 24/7, okay? Now, what I do is I take the information from these assistants on eBay, and I am looking at all of the information from eBay and Mercari, because they do both. I'm looking at all the information. I'm seeing what products are selling. Those are the products that we then place in your reselling box. even if you're not doing eBay automation, we already see what's trending and what's selling from eBay automation clients that are making a bunch of money, right? So they're usually making anywhere between 600 to sometimes 1,000. But if we're talking about a month, because that's a week, if we're talking about a month, we have somebody that is about to get 6,800. I was about to say 1,000. 6,800. We have a guy every month he gets around 25, 23, around that range. So like seeing these eBays, it sort of kind of gives us a feel of what products are selling, what you should be selling. So we put these in these boxes, right? So I have 2 orders for 30-piece product boxes. Now, what are the prices? So it's $250 for 30 products, and it's $300 for 50 products. Okay, we were originally doing it $300 for 40, but since I see the recession and I see a bunch of people hungry, but also a bunch of people that actually can benefit off of this, I want you guys to be able to make the money faster, and you need more quantity. You need more quantity. All right. So the 50 piece will not go in here. I'm actually trying this box out for the 30. Usually we have just a regular big box, but I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm trying to cut down on shipping. But we're gonna see, okay? Because I don't make a lot of money from the product boxes. What I do though is I ask for reviews. I ask for the pictures of sales you get, because again, that helps me. I get paid when I show that all of my products are selling. I get a good merit on that, and then I can take that to the bank. I can take that to other places, get more loans for bigger warehouses. I can do a bunch of different things. So like me showing that the wholesale transactions exist, that's really my win, just to let y'all know. But anyway, let's package this up because the post office is closing soon. So what we're gonna do is, I already have the USB to the USB to Lightning cables right here. These are AAA quality. Okay, we have 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, we have 20 of these. So we're gonna put these in the box. Then we have the Type-C to Lightning cable. So every box will have these. Okay, every box will have these cables. Why? Because cables are one of the most profitable, but also they are going to be one of the most products that will never go down in value. Okay, I sell each of these for $3.50. Okay, now what I will say is you can sell it for lower, higher, but never ever forget that these can sell for $3.50. You find somebody desperate or somebody that needs a cable, man, just cash at me $3.50, man, or sell me $3.50, and I got you. You know what I mean? They're gonna do it. All right. We're also going to do these. Okay. Now, if you don't know, these are very good chargers. Okay. These cables, they light up. They are very special. I think I have one right here. Yeah. They're very special. I use it. Okay. Now, the reason I use it, I think y'all can see, and I keep it right by my bed, is it lights up, right? But when I put it in my phone, you'll see for a split second, it's red. And then what happens, it starts charging. It changes colors as it's charging. When it stops, like right now it's green because I'm at almost 100. I'm at 75. But it will stop lighting up when it's done. I love these chargers. 65 watts, and they're aluminum. So the reason why we're going to give you this is because these are selling. If you look it up, these are trending. Okay, so we're going to put those in there. We're also going to do the 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charger. This already is trending. I've already made a video about that. That's selling really well. And then we'll stick with the regular basic, we already know it's going to sell. We're going to do 3 of the MagSafe battery packs, 3 of the MagSafe charger wired ones. They're really the same thing, but this one has a wire. This one is portable. All right. Yeah, I'm probably going to need a bigger box. Then we're going to do 2 bricks, okay? Now, I don't really do bricks because these bricks, the reason I do not like to give you 20 bricks is because the bricks are not going, they're going to take up a lot of your shipping. A lot of the space in the box are going to be your bricks. We've tested this out. And we find that if you need more bricks, just order them. But we'd rather give you different variety of products rather than just giving you the same bricks, okay? So, a prime example, if I give you 20 cables and then I give you 20 bricks, that's 40. That's 40 products, you know what I mean? So we try to prevent that from happening. Next, we're gonna do our super fast lightning car charger. I have this in my car, it works perfect. A lot of people underestimate that. Then we have the power adapter to Type-C to USB. So again, this sells really well too. So you open this up, and this is how it looks. This is in a nice little wrap. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like the wrap that the Apple puts on their adapters. This is a beautiful product. Beautiful product. And it has weight to it. My dog is down there tripping. Then we got this. This is the MagSafe wireless 5000 mAh charger. Okay. This right here, where is it at? Oh, has 2 different cables to charge your device. So we're gonna put 2 of these in there too. And I'm trying to make it where it's space, but I'm gonna tell y'all, we probably gonna have to use another box. I try to make it as discreet as possible so they don't know what it is. All right. Then you have the S6 headphones. These S6 headphones sell really well too. Okay. And then you have the Type-C with the Type-C to Lightning cables. Okay. Then you have the Smart Sensor car charger. This is a really good product. We put these in almost every one. Then we're gonna put in some Gen 2 clones. Okay, Gen 2 clones. Really great clones. Let me see if I can get this out of the box. They just come really tightly sealed in the box. Okay. And again, a lot of people want to try and play me. No, these are not cheap. This is not light. This is heavy. Good quality. All right. And we're going to do 2 more. Then we'll go with the generic headphones, 2 of these. Okay. And then, of course, we'll go with the iPhone 7 headphones. These are always a win. They're Bluetooth and they connect to your phone as well. All right. So these are going to be the products that we're going to put into the reseller's kit. All right, guys. And this is how you literally can start making your business start literally right now. Again, when I was starting out, I had trouble finding a way to get started. You'll never have that problem again. You just have to literally put your money into something that will make you more money. Digital products are great. That's cool. But what about physical, where you can actually make your money work for you? You can list these up and they're going to double your money. You're getting these products for as low as $6. You're going to be able to flip these, okay? Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. I need to go ahead and ship this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.